what's up, Sim here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Poco F4 GT. Don't get frightened by its name, my friend. In one sentence, it's the global version of the Redmi K50 Pro gaming phone. Ooh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Yeah, special thanks to Simi for lending me the phone, for unboxing and reviews. And that's a Poco. Yeah, very Poco style. Open the box. We have an insert that has the pin, a phone case, some manual work, the same shit as every other Xiaomi phone, and then the phone. Okay, put it aside. Ooh, hey guys, check it out. Check it out. And this is the cable, Type-C cable. And here we have that 120 watts fast charger. Of course, gamers. Who doesn't want a fast charger? So on the film we have some highlights. Flagship 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Yeah, that's quite quite a chipset that gets heat, gets warm easily. 120 Hz flight AMOLED display, 480 Hz touch summary rate, magnetic pop-up triggers, and the smart 120 watts hyper charge for the 4700 mAh dual cell battery. Like I said, it's basically the same as the Redmi K50 gaming phone. See the pop-up, shoulder keys. Normally I favor the non-physical shoulders because you don't have to press down, right? And this power key, that's also the fingerprint scanner. And here we have the SIM card slot and the volume rocker. We also have the mic here. Ooh, dual SIM card, dual standby, does not support stick card expansion. Okay, speaker, infrared blaster, a mic. Moving to the bottom, we have Type-C port mic and a speaker. No 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's downside for a gaming phone, right? Okay. Anyway, okay. And to benchmark, already done by Simi, should be 940K, almost 1 million. Not bad. Also, we want to know some camera performance. Okay, that's the camera, not bad for the gaming phone. It's a gaming phone. What do you want? As long as it's good enough to scan QR code, I'm all good with it. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Detailed one. The color seems a little bit off. I don't know. You see here get overexposed. The dark, the dark environment performance is good because you see didn't get overexposed on those highlight parts. Also, we can see some details on those dark parts. Not bad, not very bad.
Ou também um salgadinho de ervilha da Cheetos. Olha só, mais alguns sabores inusitados para vocês.
Access the word if you want to know.
Batatinha de lula assada.
I don't know what Simi is talking about.
Pode também comprar batata de trufa. Pode comprar também batata de trufa negra.
Okay. Yeah, of course, more specs about the phone. So it comes with the MIUI 30.0.2 stable. Storage 256 gigs. An Android version, all specs here. 12 gigs plus 3 gigs expansion. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Okay, nothing too much there. Okay, basically that's it. Like I said, if you want to know more about the game performance, I've already did one before. You can just check them out. And this is a global version. And you guys will always ask like, where where I can get the global version. Now it is. Now it's there. So I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.